welcome back to another vlog. Look who I'm with. Hi. Ina. They just arrived this morning from Alaska. Hey, look who else is here. Say hi.
Hi.
Ivan's here and my sister-in-law. Look what Ina got. What is it? It's like it's squishy, right? Squishmallow. Ooh, she's cute. What's his name? What?
I forgot.
You forgot his name?
I got Cinna right.
Yeah, you like those.
I just put it here.
Ivan's got some
later,
Panda
so that you
Express. Wait, there's my sister-in-law Mary, Grandpa Paul, and Grandma Celia. Sister-in-law's in-laws. So later that evening, we met up with Ian, who is my sister-in-law's son, and his girlfriend Brooke in Koreatown here in Los Angeles. And we were going to try out this Korean barbecue spot that I think is pretty popular. I think it's a new hot spot Korean barbecue place. However, the wait was just crazy long. So change of plans. We are now at
All you can eat stone grill.
the other place had a really insane wait. I think there were like 10 people ahead of us, and there's no like real estimated wait time on how long it would take. So Brooke said, take this. It's rice paper, but it's kind of slippery. Let's see. And the sauce. Pretty good. Day 2 of their California trip. We are in where are we? We're in Seabridge. You of course know Ina. Abby will be joining Six Flags when she comes back from Alaska. You need some Six Flags in your life. Uncle Tony. So we're at Fisherman's Catch because the crab place that we normally go to is closed today. So we're having lunch here. Super Filipino. That's Jonathan made that little concoction mixture of vinegar and fish sauce. That was supposed to be for the crab, but it's not. Some brown rice, some shrimp, calamari, and what's that? Fish. Second destination of the day is where, Ina?
Santa Monica.
Thank you. Ooh, got your wristband. We're gonna be vlogging Ina and Ivan. This is their first ride, which is the dragon ride. But Ivan is the brave one, and Ina is the one who's kind of scared. Let's see what happened. Ivan looked kind of scared.
Are you scared?
Did you like it?
Scared?
Oh, you got scared? You've been into that. You like that one? Yeah. Yeah? Good. Ivan, did you have fun? Yes! What was your favorite ride?
The spinning one.
Yeah, he really loves that one. Ride buddies.
Okay, we just got done eating Yoshinoya. I don't know what to say. And we're gonna go back home. I might dye my hair.
It's beach day.
Outside.
This has been pretty much our day today. We've just been at the beach, chilling, eating, enjoying the sun, enjoying the family. I think we're gonna get ready to leave in a little bit because we are heading out later this evening and we're gonna go out to dinner. We're here in LA on Temple Street. We're gonna go get some Filipino street food. Dollar Hits Temple. Abby hasn't been here. Ina hasn't been here. Sister-in-law.
I'm tryna bring it to fruition. Why these dudes be steady wishing? I be steady in the kitchen. I be cooking, I be chefing, I be flowing, I be spitting. And this shit is impossible. Probably why it is the mission. I be tripping. With the sauce, let me vent. I've been different. From the jump, I've been sent. Boy, give me a mic so I can live. Give me a chance so I can breathe. What you need? I need a whole lot of shit before I can say I made it. Whole lot of love from the homies so they play it.
Nice. Ready to eat. Okay, out of everything, I really wanted to try the ube pandesal. Have you tried this one? No. No?
You like that?
Good. I think everybody's enjoying their food. Ube pandesal. Damn. Abby's enjoying her food. I think these are quail eggs. Excuse me.
We don't have napkin.
They are. They're quail eggs. Yeah, that's good. Kind of like you're in the Philippines. Friday now, we're here in Hurricane Harbor. Ina, Ivan, sister-in-law, Abby. We got here really early. There's barely any people. We got a nice spot for our stuff. And yeah, this should be a good day. Hold on. You're gonna be fine. We park hopped to Six Flags. What ride are you gonna go on, Ivan? Ivan, what ride?
Gold Rusher.
Yeah, he's excited for Gold Rusher. Abby. Oh. So we're excited to go. Thought I would include a little throwback to 2017 when Ina first visited Six Flags Magic Mountain, and the very first ride we took her on was Goliath.
Big orange hill, that's not part of the ride. That one right there.
So this is going to be Ina's first ride at Six Flags. You excited, Ina? Yeah. What'd you think of it?
Kind of scared.
Uh-huh. You're kind of scared, cried a little bit, but you did it, right? So proud of you, Ina. And that was the end of week 1 with the Alaska fam. It seemed like we did so many things within a short period of time. We still have a Vegas road trip coming up, which I will be uploading within the next couple of days. So let us know down below if you've checked out any of these places in Southern California. Also, if you enjoyed this vlog and enjoyed hanging out with us, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and we will see you in the next vlog.